Namaskaram, everybody. Welcome to Yada's Ananda Utsavam. The Ananda Utsavam 7th edition presented to you by Amba Anandeshwari Kalalaya worldwide. Today we are celebrating Durga Adi Shakti, the Invincible. Thank you all for coming to today's Anandotsavam to experience the divine energy of Durga. Today's Anandotsavam is featuring Satavartha Vachana by our Guru, Dr. Ranjani Ganeshan Ramesh, Director of Amba Anandeshwari Kalalaya worldwide. We have the Chitra Seva by Chiranjeevi Rohan Musti from Phoenix. Veda Parayanam by Balavatus, Aksh Iyer and Chiranjeevi Anuj Iyer from Phoenix, disciples of Guru Sri Sadashivam Parasuraman. Avahana Geetam by Kumari Chukki Kumar from Adelaide, disciple of Kumari Daksha Swaminathan. Vadya Seva by Vidwan Sri A. Shankar Raman from Bengaluru. Followed by which we have the Devanrityam by Kumari Rasika Rajagopalan from Mumbai, again disciple of Guru Dr. Ranjani Ganeshan Ramesh. We have Devanrityam and Kathak duo by Kumari Bhavana Manju, Kumari Shraddha Iyer, Kumari Sakshara Prem Kumar, and Chiranjeevi Rohan Musti, disciples of Guru Kumari Daksha Swaminathan. We have the Gana Seva by Kumari Ananya Vadkar from Mumbai, disciple of Padma Shri, Sri Suresh Vadkar and Srimati Padma Vadkar. We end the session with the Purna Mantra, a chorus by our AAK family. Today's event, we try to bring in a temple and bring the temple to the limelight as we celebrate the different gods of Hindu culture and religion. Today, we are very fortunate to have the Mahaganapati Temple of Arizona presenting the Durga Darshan as we all are going to experience this divine session. I'm going to start that.
सर्वस्वरूपे सर्वेशे सर्वशक्ति समन्विते भयेभ्यः त्राहि नो देवी दुर्गा देवी नमोस्तुते दुर्गा देवी नमोस्तुते दुर्गा देवी नमोस्तुते। जय जय दुर्गे ओम जय जय दुर्गे जय जय दुर्गे जय जय दुर्गे
Nupam Veda.
Thank you, Akka, for the divine invocation. Can you please come? Yeah, thank you so much. We have the Mahaganapati Temple of Arizona's Durga Shrine like live recording. We got it today as a blessing for our event. We start with the Veda Parayanam. If I may request Akshay and Anuj Iyer to come on the video to start the Veda Parayanam. Thank you, Akshay and Anuj Iyer. You may start the Veda Parayanam.
Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om Om Gananam Tva Ganapati Gum Havamahe Kavim Kavinam Upamashravastamam Jyeshtarajam Brahmanam Brahmanaspata Anat Shranvandoti Visida Sadhanam Om Shri Mahaganapataye Namaha Om Prano Devi Saraswati Vaje Vajinivati Dinama Vitriyavato Vagdevye Namaha Om Gurur Brahma Gurur Vishnu Gurur Devo Maheshwara Guru Sakshat Parabrahma Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om Om Jata Vedase Sunavamaso Mamarati Yato Nidahati Vedaha Sanah Parashadati Durgani Vishwanave Vasindunduhitat Yagnihi Tam Agnivarnam Tapasa Jvalantim Vairochanim Karmapaleshu Dushtam Durgam Devi Gum Sharanamaham Prapatye Sutarasitarase Namaha Agne Tvam Parayanabhyo Asman Swasti Virati Durgani Vishwa Pusha Prithvi Bahulana Urvi Bhavato Kayatanaya Yashayo Vishwanino Durgaha Jata Veda Sindhunna Durtani Parishi Agne Atrivan Manasa Grinano Smakam Bodhya Vita Tanuna Pratanajitabum Sahamana Mugram Agnigum Huvema Paramat Sarastat Kanapparashadati Durgani Vishvakshamat Devo Ati Duritat Yagnihi Pratnoshikhamidyo Advareshu Dhanachaho Tanabhyascha Satsi Swansha Agne Tanuvam Viprayasvasmabhyam Chasau Bhagamaya Jasva Gobirjushtamayujo Nishiktam Tarendra Vishnu Ranusancharema नागस्य पृष्ठमभिसंवसानो वैष्णवीं लोक इहमादयन्ताम् ॐ शान्ति कात्यायनाय विद्महे कन्याकुमारी धीमहि तन्नो विद्युत् प्रचोदयात् ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः ॐ श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः हरिः ॐ
Thank you so much, Akshay and Anuj Iyer, for the divine start with your Veda Parayanam. If we have the Mahaganapati Temple of Arizona representative, they can just come on the video. If not, we will move on. Mahaganapati Temple of Arizona is a big volunteer community in Arizona, and they support a lot of art related programs for the benefit of the community and the artists. With that being said, we will move on to the Chitra Seva.
ॐ जय जय दुर्गे दुन्मदनाशिनी दुःखनिवारिणी जय जय दुर्गे ॐ जय जय दुर्गे दुर्गे दुर्गे
Thank you, Rohan.
Durga, the invincible Adi Shakti. The name Durga itself resonates power. Durga is power. Durga, that which is beyond being powerful. Akshare Parame Vyoman. She is that power, the source of power, as created by the cosmic trinity. Durga, the invincible. We have to understand that the power of the ultimate positivity is to remove all the negative within us. The asuras, the demons, the rakshasas are manifestations of all the negative that can happen as thoughts. Durga is that power who can vanquish all these negative thoughts. She is described as Nava. She is that energy, the power born of the Vedas, Jata Veda. She is Agni Swarupa, the fire, the source of energy and knowledge. She is that representation. She is the deity who is fire in the feminine form, described as Nava. It is said that we read the Vedas, we get so empowered that we are able to cross this ocean of life, Samsara Sagara. Durga, the invincible. We will continue to understand Durga as we invoke her with the highest form of Upasana, sitting next to her in the form of Durga herself, through music, Natya Veda, Sangeeta, Vadya Seva. We will invoke Durga. Over to Chupki.
Chuki's video, what is the ID? Could you please tell me?
Daksha.
Okay, thank you.
Namaste, Jai Ma Durga. Welcome to yet another Anandotsav to everybody. The entire Ambanandeshwari Kalalaya family welcomes you to our home, to our puja room, to our space, our temple of invoking the multiple energies. When we say energies, we don't necessarily only mean deities as we understand them. Because as far as the Sanatana Hindu Dharma is concerned, for us, deity is a power from within that manifests on the external. And perhaps there is no greater example of this than Ma Durga herself. To just give you a quick introduction about Anandotsav to a couple who have joined in perhaps a little later, Anandotsav is the brainchild of Dr. Ranjani Ganesan Ramesh, who is the director of Ambanandeshwari Kalalaya, to bring people together who want to experience a satsanga through Veda Parayana, Nritya Seva, Sangeeta Seva, Kavita Arpana, Chitra Seva, as well as informative and interactive sessions by Anubhavita Kalakars, which means experienced artists, as well as enabling young learners to understand better the enjoyment of learning through their offering. Also, to instill the idea amongst all of us who are connoisseurs of art, practitioners of art, that divine arts is for sadhana and upasana, to satiate the soul and not to be treated or taken forward as vritti, to satisfy the stomach. Arts is for divine, not for divide. Divine arts as divinity profound, not as dividended profession. The core intent is to make it an experience and not just showcasing and appreciating technical prowess of anybody. We've had over 6 or 7 weeks, if I'm not mistaken, of wonderful, wonderful gatherings and satsangas. And this happens every Sunday at 9 a.m. IST. And all of you are welcome and requested, in fact, to join us, because the more the energy is joining, the more we can explode in this wonderful energy. I won't take too much of your time any further. This is introducing Kumari Chupki Kumar, who is a disciple at the Amba Anandeshwari Kalalaya Adelaide Center. She is learning Sangeeta with us, and today she will be invoking Devi Durga with her Avahana Geetam. This is in Rag Durga. Just checking the audio.
Can Chuki come little closer, please,
Yeah.
to the mic?
That's why we're just checking the audio.
Little more, little more. Yes, perfect.
Durga Bhavani Teri bhajo Durga Bhavani Devi bhajo Durga Bhavani Jagat Janani Jagat Janani Mahishasuramadini Devi Bhajo Durga Bhavani Bhavani Himanagandini Bhavabhayakhandini Himanagandini Bhavabhayakhandini Sharanagata Chatura Abhaya Varadani Sharanagata Chatura Abhaya Varadani Devi Bhajo Durga Bhavani Jagat Janani Mahishasuramadini Devi Bhajo Durga Bhavani Durga Shri Bhuvaneshwari Tripura Sundari Shri Bhuvaneshwari Tripura Sundari Shri Chakrarupini Pahi Mambe Shri Chakrarupini Pahi Mambe Devi Bhajo Durga Bhavani Jagat Janani Mahishasuramadini Devi Bhajo Durga Bhavani Durga Bhavani Durga Namaste.
That was divine invoking of Durga, the highest representation of power. Om, the Pranava. Om itself means possibility. Durga is that possibility and power. She is an amsha of Rudra, the power. the Avyakta Agni, Durga, is spoken as in the Durga Suktam. None other than Om herself in the physical form, making the possibility possible, vanquishing the impossibility. We will now move to exploring Durga through Devanrityam. Before Nrityam, we will have the Vadya Sangeeta Seva. Can we have Ramya, can we have Sri Shankar Raman Mama, please?
Yes, Akka.
Durga has to be invoked with a lot of Vadyam.
Shankar Raman Mama, could you please come on the video?
Nada is the form of Tara, the power. The four stages being Para, Pashyanti, Madhyama and Vaikari. Durga is described as that Tara. Namaskaram Mama. Shankar Raman Mama has been a very, very, very dear fellow sadhaka in the world of music. Can we have Mama's video on the... My association and connect with Mama goes back to nearly 25 years or more. We belong to the same Gurukula. Mama Shankar Raman is the disciple of late Guru Srimati Rajeshwari Padmanabhan of Kalakshetra. And they say the power that is Om, the Nada, brings people from across unknowingly and knowingly to bond. That is what we call cosmic connections. And that's how, though we were in different parts of the world and at different places with the different gurus of the same Gurukula, we were brought together to explore and do this upasana through music. Durga. We all know that she is the slayer of Mahishasura, Chanda Munda, Nishumbha Shumbha. What are these? The Mahisha is the dark enemy, the dark negative spirit. Yes, we can have Mama on the main screen, please.
Welcome, Shankar Raman Mama. You may start the session.
Yes.
Shankara Mama, can you shift the video more towards your right? Ungloda right padi camera konjo shift panikongo, turn panikongo.
Okay, fine. No, I'm coming here. Yes,
Okay.
Are you able to see me? Are you able to see me?
Yes, we want to see you. We are not able to see you. I can see Chandrasekhar sir. Namaskaram sir, Chandrasekhar sir. Mama, we can't see you at all.
Yeah, we are seeing probably the back side of your camera.
Huh? Okay.
No. He is sitting somewhere else. Mama, I think you back camera on aayirukku, front camera on panikongo.
Abdiya, one. Oh, friend, come 1 minute. I'm not able to see.
born out of the highest power of concentration of the Trinities, born out of the tapas. Tapas அப்படின்னா வந்து ultimate focus, complete focus, to channelize an energy, to create an energy, that energy being of the possibility, that energy being that of power. So Durga, born out of this tapas, Vairochanim she's called, she's the fire to make anything possible, the fire to vanquish everything that is impossible. All that is negative and dark, such as what we see as the Rakshasa. The Ra means the darkness, Aksha is the eyes that is shut. And so these are the beings that have their eyes completely shut, or they are the ones who are engulfed with that darkness in the mind, and they are the manifestations. These are Rakshasas. Rakshasa. And the Rakshasane Dhamanam Vandro, Durgati Nashini, one who enables anybody to rise above anything that is not good. Durmada Nashini, pride, anger, irritability, and the Madhyana or Kleshangal, what the mind goes into, confusions, all this is removed by Durga. Kama, Krodha, Lobha, Moha, Mada, Matsarya, the Madhyana, ella negative, that's what she removes. Of that, the Rakshasas here that we talk about in the Durga, as a story of Durga, are all those who are ridden with pride, arrogance, and also extremely lustful. Adellathiyum azhikkiravo. Mama ready? Shankara Mama, if you are ready.
Are you able to hear me?
Yes, we can hear you. Yes, we can hear you.
Can you see my veena there? No.
No, we can't see the veena.
One minute. Can you see now?
Yes, I can see now. Yes,
Yeah,
Mama.
I will come.
Perfect,
I am.
perfect.
Hello, good morning to everyone. I am so happy to join this group. I know Ranjani for quite a number of years, more than 30 years. I know her family is a great artist, a great musician, a great dancer, a great composer, whatnot. And she has been doing this lovely service to the art. It's something which nobody can do. Actually, it is something, it's a hat shop to her, and the whole family itself is involved in this. I'm so happy to be a part of this. So I will be playing today a small kriti in Ananda Bhairavi Raga. It is all in place of goddess. Goddess is there everywhere. She is the one who is protecting all of us. And I hope you will enjoy this.
unmute பண்ணுங்க. Ramya, you muted Mama.
Yeah, Mama, can you please unmute yourself?
யாரோ மியூட் பண்ணிட்டா மாமாவை.
Okay, okay. Yeah, I'm trying. Oh, it's very sorry, Mama. நான் தான் mute பண்ணிட்டேன். Can you please unmute? காது கேட்கல. You are muted. Unmuteங்கிற ஒரு பட்டன் அமுக்குனா. Others, I request everybody to please mute. Otherwise, it is creating some disturbance with the music
Okay.
that we are hearing.
Now unmute பண்ணிட்டேனா?
Yes,
Ah,
yes.
Thank
Yes.
you,
Thank you,
Mama.
Mama.
I
So
don't know
sorry
your
about
ID. Thank you so much.
So sorry. So sorry about this.
Oh, no.
Everybody please mute.
So nice. It's so nice.
Because யாரோ பேசினா so அதுல confusion ஆயிடுது, யாருன்னு தெரியாம மியூட் பண்ணாரு.
Oh.
Everybody please mute.
Thank you very much.
Was invoking her in that Ananda Bhairavi, invoking Durga as Ananda Bhairavi. She's so happy, she's so in that state of bliss,
No.
yet
Thank you.
she
Thank
is
you very much,
power,
Vijay.
power
Thank
and
you.
happiness, power and bliss is traveling together. That which is empowered is always in completion space, and that is Durga. Thank you, Mama, so much. Stay with
Thank
us.
you.
We will now proceed with the Deva Nrityam.
Oh, fine. We'll watch. I'll watch.
We
Thank
will
you.
explore Durga through Deva Nrityam.
Oh.
May I have Daksha with her mic on? We have Rasika Rajagopalan, a senior disciple of myself, exploring Deva Nrityam is what she's into the journey now and has been into it for some time. Can we have Daksha Swaminathan mic on and coming in also? That power of Durga invokes and has been invoked as Ananda Bhairavi. We will go on with the presentation, the exploring Durga, the invincible through Deva Nrityam. We have a very young budding Kalakar on the Mridangam with us, Chiranjeevi Vishwajit Swaminathan Ramesh. Some of the rhythm sections have been his inputs for the seva today. We will continue. Somebody's mic is unmuted and I can hear some vendors selling something. Can we please mute the mic of people who are not performing? And can we have
Daksha and Rasika, you may start.
Once upon a time, there was this asura called Rambha. Rambha Asura. He happens to see a beautiful Mahishi, a female buffalo. We have been talking about the dark emotion which does not distinguish between man and animal. So he falls in love with this Mahishi. Their union is birth of Mahisha, Asura, the Rakshasa who's born of the Mahishi and the Asura Rambha is the Mahishasura. Mahisha Asura. Mahisha, so powerful and valiant, wants to conquer the Devas who have been humiliating his father Rambha, and he goes into tapas. Tapas, I mentioned earlier, is that focus to make or create anything. So he invokes the creation power Brahma. Brahma asks wants to be immortal and says, I should not be vanquished by a deva or a devata, god or a superhuman. Brahma says that's not possible for you to be immortal. However, I can give you a boon that you will be vanquished by a feminine energy. Jaya Jaya Durge, Jaya Jaya Durge, Vaishamadhini, Mahishasura. Devaloka, tormented, Indra tries to wield his weapon, Vajrayuda. Nothing can touch Mahisha. The Devas besiege and pray the Trinity, the cosmic energy, to help them rid the negative. Nine. We have symbolized the Trinity in the with the laya of 9, 3, 3, 3. Tam, dim, dim, tatikita taka, dim, dim, tatikita taka. The cosmic Shiva that energizes and brings to forth creation. Vishnu gives Vishnu Maya. Om Dum Durgayai Namaha. Om Dum Durgayai Namaha. Om Dum Durgayai Namaha. Out of the water, comes forth the formless form of Durga. The Nabhi being the earth, the Jala being the amniotic fluid, and comes forth the form of Durga. Ya Devi Sarva Bhuteshu Vishnu Mahayeti Sabhita Mahamaya Mahamaya Mahamaya. Shiva gives her the face, Brahma gives her the feet, Vishnu gives her the middle. That which is energy needs a representation, and the representation is face. That representation has to do the protection through the arms and has to exist on the bhuvi as the feet. Mahamaya Ya Devi Sarva Bhuteshu Vishnu Mayeti Sabdhita Namastasyai 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 Namo Namaha. Varuna, water out of the ocean, gives her the Shankha. The Shankha Nada purifies. Indra gives her the Vajrayuda, Vayu. That which can traverse through the air gives her the arrow, bow and arrow. Shiva gives her the Khadga and the Trishula. Brahma gives her the Kamandala and the Brahma Kamala. Devi Jagat Janani Simha Simha is the symbol of power, and Durga is that invincible who rides power, which is Simha. The Devas come in, so happy to see an energy created. Pray to her. Indra, Agni, Vayu, Varuna pray through Devanrityam and Katha. Simhavahini Durga, please help us rid our enemy, that is the emotion of negative.
Anything that
The Devas,
anything that has to be manifested has to be verbalized. It can't just be thought of and wished for. When one verbalizes what they desire to manifest, the independent, intelligent energy of the cosmos begins to manifest that very energy. So here, it is not the Durgas pleading to Devi. Devas instead are verbalizing and empowering Devi herself with their words. Shraddha, Kumari Shraddha as Indra Deva begins this.
Tam Agnivarna, Tam Agnivarna, Tapasa Jwalanti, Vairojani, Tam Agnivarnam. She's that fire. She's that color of fire, the red. Tapasa Jwalantim. She's exuberating. She's illuminous with that power of focus. Tapasa Jwalantim, Vairochanim, the female energy of fire. Karma Paleshu Jushtam Durgam, who removes the sins. Devim Sharanam. I surrender, we all bow to you, to that power, and we trust you. Aham prapadye, we surrender at your feet. Prapadye, sutarase tarase namaha. Please help us cross this ocean of miseries. Devi Jagat Janani, Jagat Janani, Simhavahini Devi. With Shraddha, I invoke you. With the Sat Bhavana, I invoke you. I, Shraddha, the integrity, come as Indra, and Bhavana, with my good thoughts and feeling, I arrive to invoke you. Can we have the Indra and the Deva on the main screen? Shraddha and Bhavana. Shraddha with integrity and Bhavana. Devi Jagat Janani. With Sa Akshara. Om Dum Durgaye Namaha. Sakshara invokes her. सा अक्षर ओम दुम दुर्गायै नमः देवी जगज्जननी देवी दुर्गा माता
Request everybody to put in the gallery view.
महामाया देवी जगज्जननी कायबेकु देवी जगज्जननी
Maya, we are not able to hear you. Akka, we are not able to hear Mai telling the jatis. I don't know if kids are waiting for that cue.
Yeah, kids are waiting to begin. Can we have Kumari Bhavana projected? She begins as Indradeva.
Sure.
Dhim, dhim, kit, dhim, kit, dham. Dhim, dhim, kit, dhim, kit, dham. Tat, dhit, dhan, 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 jhunu, jhunu, tat, dhit, dhan, 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 jhunu, jhunu, tak, dhikku, kita, tak, dhari, kita, tum, tak, kita, tak, dhari, kita, tum, kita, tak, dhari, kita, tum, dhari, kita, tum. Devi Jagadjanani Niyam Kaya Beku
Devi Jagadjanani Niyam Kaya Beku Devi Jagadjanani.
Moving on to Katha, we have Sakshana and Chiranjeevi Gopi.
Deva Deva Vinute Sucharite
Deva,
Deva Deva Vinute.
Now, Yamadeva. Devanrityam. Mahishasura संहरिषि जग के कल्याण माडे देवी नीसलहु. Chandradeva and Suryadeva in Kathak request Devi, who is the Shivajnana Pradayini. Shri Vasudeva Sahodaki Sundari Shivajnana Pradayini Bhakta Jana Paripadini. Jaya Durga, Vijaya Durga, Jaya Durga, Vijaya Durga, Jaya Durga, Vijaya Durga, Jaya Durga, Vijaya Durga, Jaya Durga, Vijaya Durga.
Jaya Jaya Durge Jagannata, 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 Jaya Jaya Durge Jagannata. दैत्य महिषासुरन संहरिषि जग के कल्याण ಮಾಡಿದ ದೇವಿ. जय जय दुर्गे जगन्माता, जय जय दुर्गे जगन्माता, जय जय दुर्गे जगन्माता. विष्णु माया स्वरूपिणी वैरोचनी, जय जय दुर्गे जगन्माता, जय जय दुर्गे जगन्माता. सिंहवाहिनी उन्मदनाशिनी दुःख निवारिणी शमनी. जय जय दुर्गे, जय जय दुर्गे. The Mahisha, who can assume different forms, comes in completely. The mind, the bipolar mind, transforms from ferociousness to lust. And he is so enticed by Durga and says, "Oh, beautiful damsel, that you are kill me. Oh, will you become mine? You going to kill me? Will you kill me with your looks? Dhum Durgaye Namaha." That's it. Stay. Mahisha gets offended. His ego is hurt and he sends Shumba and Nishumba. Shumba. Shumba is that dark which is negative, which only lusts, does not know what is right, what is wrong, and he, Durga, slains him. Nishumbha is that negative, which is an abetment to that Shumbha. So she severs his head off. Durga Kundalini Puravasini Chandamunda Nishudini Pandidasya Manurmani Varahi Namostute. Varahi comes to vanquish Chanda and Munda. Brahmani is that source which is in Durga, who can go above breath. And Narayani, Kaumari kills Chanda, and Narayani slains that which is coming out of Manisha as Rakta Bija. Narayani on the Garuda writes about, well, we use the drones. So the original drone is Garuda, and Narayani from above slains, and Manisha takes his original form. Durga Devi Tam Dim Takkita Dimmi Dimmi Takkita Dimmi Tatta Dim Dimmi Tatta Tatta Dim Dimmi Kitta Jum Dimmi Tatta Dim Dimmi Kitta Jum Dimmi Tatta Dim Dimmi Tatta Jum Dimmi Tatta Jum Dimmi Kitta Jum Tarigida Tarigida Tatta Dim Dimmi Kitta Jum Tarigida Tarigida Tatta Dim Dimmi Kitta Jum Talangu Tarigida Tarigida Tatta Dimmi Tatta Jum Talangu Tarigida Tarigida Tatta Dimmi Tatta Jum. As Simha pins him down on the buffalo. Jaya Jaya Durge Jaganmata, Jaya Jaya Durge Jaganmata, Jaya Jaya Durge Jaganmata. The Durita, Durmada, Mahishasura having been slain, we will invoke Durga. We will now sing Durga to align with that beautiful energy of Durga with Ananya singing Durga. Ananya Vadkar, Kumari, daughter and disciple of Padma Shri, Shri Suresh Vadkar and Srimati Padma Vadkar, a very, very, very dear child who I have seen being born and grown alongside Daksha as her bestest Sakhi. We invite Ananya Wadkar to establish the energy, the positive energy, and the powerful Durga, the invincible through Durga. Over to Ananya.
Thank you so much for the introduction. I won't waste any time saying anything. I'll just start singing.
Ananya, turn on your video, please, darling.
Ananya,
The video is on.
turn on your video. She's on. She's on.
Just projecting your.
Yeah.
Can you see now?
Unmute Ananya.
Hello.
Yes, we can hear you.
I'll start by singing the Bandish in Durga, Rag Durga, and then I will go on to sing a Bandish on Devi in Adana, Rag Adana, and also a Tarana after that. Sa re ma pa dha sa sa dha ma pa dha ma re ma re sa re dha sa re ma pa dha ma re ma re sa re dha sa. हे गुणदायिनी हे गुणदायिनी मायादमनि मातेश्वरी मायादमनि मातेश्वरी सच्चित आनंद स्रोतेस्मिनी विमलधवल नवल अभिराम रस निर्झरी दुर्गेश्वरी हे गुणदायिनी महाशक्ति महेश्वरी महाशक्ति महेश्वरी हरिदल दल निभक्त जनहित हरिदल दल निभक्त जनहित शरणागत के सकल संकट निवारिणी चपल चंचला चिर प्रचंड चंडिकेश्वरी हे गुणदायिनी मम रे सरे रे ध सा रे म पद म गुणदायिनी सा रे म पद रे म पद सा रे ध सा गुणदायिनी रे म पद ध म रे सा रे ध सा गुणदायिनी रे म पद ध म रे सा रे ध सा रे म पद म पद सा सा ध सा रे म पद म पद सा सा ध सा रे म पद म पद सा सा ध हे गुणदायिनी आ गुणदायिनी आ गुणदायिनी आ गुणदायिनी 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 ओजस्विनी चंचल चपला ओजस्विनी चंचल चपला असुरमर्दिनी सुरवर सुखमंगल सुकामिनी शक्तिरसाला भगवती जय जय अम्बे ओजस्विनी चंचल चपला संजीवनी मूर्तिमती संजीवनी मूर्तिमती वंदनीय आनंद स्वरूपा वंदनीय आनंद स्वरूपा जगतारिणी जय जगदम्बे ओजस्विनी चंचल चपला ओजस्विनी 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 दीन तना दिरे ना तना रे दीन तना दिरे ना तना रे तानुम तना तदा निदीन तु तानुम तना तदा निदीन तु नादिर दिर दिर दीन तु तना दिरे ना नादिर दिर दिर दीन तु तना दिरे ना तादिरे तादिरे ना तना दिरे ना दीन तना दिरे ना तना रे नादिर दिर दारी दीन तना रे दिरे ना नादिर दिर दारी दीन तना रे दिरे ना तना दिरे ना तनु तदिरे ना तना दिरे ना तनु तदिरे ना तादिरे ना दीन तनु दीन तना ना तादिरे ना दीन तनु दीन तना ना तना दिरे ना धा तिर किट धुम किट तक धीर धीर किट तक धा ता धा तना दीन तना दिरे ना दीन तना दिरे ना दीन तना दिरे ना दीन तना दिरे ना Thank you.
That was so divine, Ananya. Durga
Thank you
just
so much.
calmed down after killing Mahishasura. She just went into her beautiful, happy being Ananda Bhairavi through your Durga and Aran, and beautifully she calmed down with the calm Durga who resonates power and the invincible being herself. Shakti, Adi Shakti. कात्यायनाय विद्महे कन्याकुमारी धीमहि तन्नो दुर्गिः प्रचोदयात्. With our senses, mind and heart and the body surrender at your energy, at your blissful presence, Ananda Bhairavi, Durga. We infuse our devotion to align and become one with you and have that you as power, the Durga, within us to help us sail across the samsara sagara, removing all the negatives and establishing the positive. Om Dum Durgaye Namaha. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavasishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. let there prevail peace at the Adhyatmika, Adi Bhautika, Adi Daivika levels in the beautiful world, protected and preserved and empowered by Durga. Thank you one and all for being here with us in Anandotsava today to celebrate Durga. May we request all the Seva Kartas today, Nritya, Sangeeta, Vadya, Gayana, to come on the screen for a picture. Vishwajit, come inside. Can we have Shankar Raman Nama also if he's around? Yes, Ramya, you can take over. Thank you so much, Ananya, for coming and being part of Anandotsav and just bringing that blissful Durga. Today, the entire brigade of artists, I can say the Gana, the Kalakar Gana, the Kalakar Mandala has been the young energy as Durga herself. All the Navadurgas, the new energies and the beautiful, powerful energies resonate with your Kala.
Thank you so much. We'll be taking just one picture. So I request everybody to...
Yes, we have lost Ananya. She's back. Yeah.
So on a count of 3, 1, 2, and 3. Awesome. This is one of our best memories for today. How beautifully Goddess Durga was evoked, and all the sevas that we as artists had offered, and with the Sattavachana by our Guru.
Sattva Artha Vachana. Sattva Artha Vachana. Sattvana essence, Arthana meaning, Vachana abdina words. Sattva Artha Vachana.
It was a truly blissful experience, and we all have experienced that today. Thank you so much.
They were the Vatus. We didn't have the Vatus in the picture.
Yeah, but Vatus are, I don't think they are here. I asked
okay.
the video.
Because we are across different 5, 6 different time zones and countries across the world. I think the time over there is quite late now.
Exactly. They are, looks like they are there, but I don't think they are starting their video. So, but nevertheless, thank you so much. Thank you so much, Akka, for imparting this knowledge and this divine art form with all of us. And Mai, you have done wonders with the 4 kids. We are also
in 2 days
and happy.
In 2 days, in 2 different styles.
Yeah, it's a different style. So really very, very commendable. And many of the kids, it might be their first performance. We seek the blessing.
Yes, all the 4. All the 4 Devas.
All the 4, yeah, all the 4
Devas and Devis.
Yeah. And Rasika, I think the goddess Durga had descended onto you. I feel every picture that I wanted to capture a picture of you with that beautiful red, gorgeous costume. And the Deva Nrityam just flowed and truly enjoyed. I'm just echoing all of the audience.
Rasika, we can rename Rasika from today as Durga.
Yeah,
she's Durga for us from today. The living energy of Durga. She embodied Durga and she just manifested Durga for all of us. And the Mahisha was so fearful that she just overpowered him as the invincible. So we call Rasika. I take this blessing from Durga from today to call Rasika as Durga. So whenever I call Durga, Rasika, please say, yes, I am here.
Thank you. And Vishwadit, you did a very beautiful accompaniment for Akka, because I know many things are not very planned and prepared. It comes impromptu, and understanding and going with the flow is a very unique quality of an artist, and you're getting it from the get-go. Wish you all the best and many, many more performances to come along the way. And Ananya, like Akka was telling, you know, the calming down was very apt, you know, towards the end of, after the Mahishasuramardini episode, you know, your the sweet voice kind of is still ringing in all of our ears with that
Absolutely.
peace.
Absolutely.
We will, you know, carry on rest of the day beautifully for the, you know, India time zone, and you know, we are ending our day in US time zone. Thank you everybody who have participated in today's
Vishwajit
session.
wants to say something.
Sure.
The thing is that, as you said that, you know, I can just aram se play, but it's not. The thing is that you need to catch the beat. Once I get the beat in my mind, that's it. I just start playing on my own. There's nothing to do. And by when mom tatifies the thing, that time I will understand which talam it is. So if it's Mr. Chapu, I'll do Mr. Chapu. If it's
So the Mr. Chapu today, the final fight of Mahishasuramardini Mr. Chapu was set in Mr. Chapu by Vishwajit, and the entire rhythm passage was set by him. So Durga, may Durga continue to flow through all the kids, all the satsangis, all of us, and let us all be in that space of Durga being Adi Shakti, the invincible. Durga.
Thank you all. On behalf of Yada and the Amba Anandeshwari Kalalaya, we would like to continue this every week after week. Please spread if you like this session, I hope you all like this session. Please spread the word. We want to spread the positivity and divinity and the glory of Indian gods through our own art forms, and revive the rich heritage that we are having and experience the divine. With that being said, thank you all for your participation. We'll see next week with Ma
Vagadishwari, Ma Saraswati.
Ma Saraswati Vagadishwari. Thank you all. Namaste.